Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to create a shared folder in a VMware virtual machine. It is a very easy and simple process and it's work with the all operating system. Example as Windows 11, Windows 10, all Windows operating system, all Mac operating system and all Linux operating system. It is a very easy and simple process. Before go to our video, if you not subscribe this channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. First, open your virtual machine and go to your virtual machine. Here you find our virtual machine. Select your virtual machine. Right click on your virtual machine and click on the settings. After that, here you find many options. Go to here options. Click on this options tab. In options tab, here you find shared folders. It is disabled by the Wondershare. Click at here. Or workstation. Sorry. And here we find shared folders and here we find always enable. Click on the always enable. Here we find map as a network drive in a Windows guest. Check this. It show as a network drive in our guest machine. Select this, check this. After that, go to the here add, click on the add. In add, click on the next, click on the next. Go to here, we want to host a path, our machine path, click at here and go to your path. In my case, I go to the desktop. You can go to the anywhere you store your shared folder. Go to your folder, select your folder, click on the open. If you want to change a name, then change a name. At this point, I don't, so I click on the next. Here you find two options, enable this share and second is the read only. If you want to give permission of the read only, not edit, then check this. And it is not give a permission to the edit your files from your host machine. It is only read and click on the finish. After that, click on the OK. Now we are going to our host machine, and here we find network. Go to the network from here. Go to here and click on the network. Here we find our VMware host, double click on it. Here we find shared folder, double click on it. And here we find our folder, double click on it. We can go to here and edit, access our files, double click on it. We can copy this file to our desktop, but it is not a edit permission. We cannot create any file in this. Okay, it is not give a permission to the edit or add any file. If you want to edit permission, that is also easy and simple. Close it. Go to our operating system once again. Here we find our operating system list. Right click on it. Click on the settings once again. Here we find options. Go to the options. Shared folders. Click on that and select our folder. Shared folder. Click on the properties. And this time uncheck this read only permission. Click on the OK. Click on the OK. Now this time go to our network. Once again, double click on it. Here you find host, VMware host, double click. Go to our folder. And this time right click on it or edit your file. Click on the text document or edit your file. Now we can edit, delete or do anything with that file. I can go to here and select that file and click on the delete. Click on the yes. It's also delete file, edit files and create new files in our shared folder from our guest or the virtual machine. So guys, this is the simplest way to create a shared folder in a VMware virtual machine. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.